Hey guys, and welcome to the Winning 365 website. I'm gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna show you guys how you can start earning an extra $200 every day from a free opportunity, meaning that you don't have to spend any money. All you have to do is follow my instructions in this video. So as you guys can see, I'm being direct. I'm showing you guys my bank account. I'm gonna show you guys the direct deposits that are coming into my account. All right, so basically what we do is we test products online and get paid for it. The company pays us, basically every week. We get paid every Wednesday. This right here was my last deposit, and you can start working today. All you have to do is just follow my steps. Let me just show you guys a couple more deposits from the company. Here's another one. That was the week before, and here's another one again. All right, guys, so this is real, and all you have to do is follow me. You won't have to pay any money. Just follow my instructions, join the Winning 365 team, and you'll be making money in the next 30 minutes. And also, just for today, the company's doing a $200 sign-on bonus. So once you get signed up, you'll earn $200 just for signing up into your bank account, Cash App, PayPal, or however you want to receive that sign-on $200 bonus. So all you guys have to do is you're on this website right here. You just want to hit it's free, let me in. Once you put in your email, you're going to be taken to the website to sign up. Now the company is called Success System Revealed, and you're just going to click the sign up now button. Now just follow my instructions so you can sign up for free. All you're going to do is fill out all of the information on this site, and I'm going to do it for you guys right now. So let me just pause the video. Alright guys, so by now you should have the whole sign up filled out, and then you want to click the Act Now button. Once you click that, you want to wait for our email for the next steps to receive the $200 sign-on bonus, along with the training to start making that extra $200 a day just for testing the right products at the right time. So I'll see you guys on the inside of our group. And also, if you have any questions, make sure to follow me on my Snapchat. You can take a picture of it right now, and I'll be willing to answer any questions you guys may have.